Okay, so I'm going to tell you about something called Kotlin multiplatform. I learned about this 48 hours ago, and I have to say, it is absolutely fucking amazing. In fact, I've now decided that Kotlin is actually a better platform than Rust for building web apps and for building mobile apps. The one exception being computer games that require no garbage collection. But for everything else, I'm now convinced that Kotlin multi-platform is the right tool to use. So one thing I really want to point out is that Google Docs uses Kotlin multi-platform. So this is not some toy hobby project. This is very serious, very hardcore engineering. So Kotlin multi-platform is built by a company called IntelliJ, which also builds IDEs and the Kotlin language. And I'm just going to show something that I built in the past 48 hours. So, alright, I'm not supposed to show that yet. So let me come here, and I'm going to show this app. So this here is one code base that is written in Kotlin. This is compiled to WebAssembly and it's running inside the browser. So it's a basic page, and here you have different options. This is all written in Kotlin, and this is being compiled to WebAssembly. When we click this stuff here, stuff should be happening here. It's not happening yet because I started playing with this technology only 48 hours ago. The really cool part, right, is that we wrote this in Kotlin. It works in WebAssembly. We're now going to come here, and instead of web main, we're going to go to Android main. And now I'm going to run this. Okay, I made a mistake. I set a breakpoint here. We're going to get rid of that. Why am I making more mistakes? Okay, we're going to run this. I'm going to kill this here also. So, what we see here is an Android simulator of, I think a Pixel 9, I'm not sure. And this is the app here, so we can do this. So this is the identical app to what is running in the browser. And this is from the exact same code base. So this one code base, which I will just show here right now. This entire stuff here is all defined here. So I'll just pick an example. Settings. This is the icon that we're using. The one right above it, it says doc search, the icon we're using there. So this one Kotlin code base, it compiles and runs on WebAssembly for the browser. Also compiles to Android and runs on Android. It also runs on iOS. I cannot prove this to you right now because I'm using a Linux machine, and therefore I cannot run Xcode, and therefore I cannot run this demo. But Kotlin claims they do it. Google supports them, so I completely believe them when they say it also runs on iOS.